In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive to a previous date and time. This can be incredibly useful if you need to recover files that might have been accidentally deleted, corrupted, or modified. Perhaps you're trying to retrieve an earlier version of a project, or you've simply changed your mind about some recent updates. Whatever your reason, this process will help you get things back to how they used to be. To start, open a web browser on your computer and navigate to the OneDrive website by typing in onedrive.live.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're logged into the one associated with the OneDrive files you'd like to restore. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive homepage, where you can see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now, look towards the top right-hand corner of the browser window. Here, you'll notice an icon resembling a gear, which symbolizes settings. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Restore Your OneDrive. This will open a new page titled Restore Your OneDrive, which is the main area for the recovery process. On this page, you'll find a timeline slider, allowing you to select the date to which you want to revert your OneDrive files. This area also provides a drop-down menu where you have options like yesterday, 1 week ago, or a custom date range. If you remember the exact time when your files were in the desired state, choose the specific date from this timeline. Utilize the drop-down if you're not entirely sure, as it can guide you through common restoration points. After selecting your desired date, click on the Restore button. It's important to note that this process might take a little while to complete, especially if you have a large number of files or significant changes between the current state and your selected date. You may want to grab a coffee or take a short break while OneDrive works its magic. Once your files are restored, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful completion of the process. Head back to your OneDrive files and take a moment to check that everything looks the way you expected. This can include opening a few files to make sure their contents are returned to normal, and verifying that any removed files have been restored. Congratulations! You've now successfully restored your OneDrive to a previous date and time. By following these instructions, you've ensured the safety and integrity of your files, and this knowledge can be priceless for future situations that might arise. Thanks for watching, and ensure your files stay secure by backing them up frequently. Until next time, take care.